Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video. Nique fam, I'm mad at y'all, but I ain't gonna keep y'all long. And the reason being I'm mad at y'all, Tony specifically, you told me to do this video. So here I am. I'm doing this video because y'all like, you know, making me feel all guilty. She didn't do a YouTube video for this. Well, guess what? I did. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Hey newcomers, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into this beat, y'all. I went ahead and like colored my hair purple with chalk. You know, nothing permanent. My natural hair. And yeah. So let me do my brows and then I'll come back. But before I do, y'all make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the page. Okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this beat. Alright, so yeah. Let me do my brows and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so my brows are finished. And as y'all can see, I've did another brow tutorial. I did a different way I do my brows. That's just so whenever I get ready for dramatic looks, I'll have more space, so I kind of like spread them out a little bit. But anyway, if y'all would like a tutorial on that, just let me know. So moving along, we're going to be using the Magic Mini from the Juvia's Place. I'm using the Morphe 506 brush. And I just want to let you guys know, if you hear noise in the background, it's because I'm in my closed-in garage or whatever. And yeah, I need the air on because it gets hot in here. So y'all just bear with me with the noise and everything. So we're going to go into this color right here, I believe. And I'm just going to put this in my crease. Okay, next I'm going to use the James Charles palette, and I'm going to that yellow right there. And I'm just going to blend out the purple. Okay, so I just packed that yellow on. I'm kind of blown away by how the yellow looks and everything, because normally it would dust away. So I decided to put the yellow first, so that way it won't have too much manipulation. So next I'm going to go into this blue. I'm going to place that in between the yellow and the purple. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and just touch up the yellow just slightly. But I'm afraid to. I'm not gonna lie. So that way my yellow is blended. If I had like a smaller brush. No, baby, it's okay. Okay. I'm thinking this is about good as I'm gonna get it for that yellow. And touch up my blue a little bit more, then we're gonna touch up the purple, and we'll be done right here. And stop it at that. Okay, we don't have time. Okay, after 3 days of blending, and not really blending but stacking that shadow, now it's time to use our Garnier micellar water to clean the crease. I'll take some make sure it's like moist. Look up, and sometimes it show me an indentation I can follow, and I'll just use that because I'm not very skilled at cut creases to a point where I believe I am, because I don't know where my lid, that space is. And that's why I tend to have a lot of issues. But you know, I know I'm gonna get better with time. I know a lot of you probably like thinking, well, you are already good, like, but I want to be better. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and then I'll be back with my crease. And just take your time on that part. If y'all want like an extremely detailed video of that, please let me know. But we're moving on to the base, and what we're going to use for base is Ibiza or Ibiza from P. Louise, and this is the Acid Rain base. What I like to do is just take it like this, rub it on not too much. Take it like that, because sometimes it's like, depending on the temperature, it can be like real stiff. But being that it's so hot in this room, this thing is like already like moist. It's already like a nice creamy consistency. So I'm just taking that and coating both sides of my brush. I'm gonna smooth that around. Now it's time to, you know, fill it in. Okay, so now since we have that crease all cut up like that, girl, what we're gonna do is take the whatever left on our brush, we're gonna tap it out here, because it's not gonna matter, because we just gonna take that brush and kind of close it off. Okay, so we're gonna go right back into that blue shade. Take it and do that corner. I'm just gonna keep pressing that. Then I'm just gonna kind of flick it up. And what's ever left on my brush, I'm just gonna flick that out. Wipe my brush off and kind of soften that, because really this little corner right here, I didn't mean to do that, but it looks fine. I'm just gonna keep softening that purple and just go back over that, go back into that color again, and just keep building that up. And in between, wipe my brush off, I'm gonna come here and soften that. Okay, cute. Okay, now we're gonna take this Faso color and I'm gonna put that across the lid so it can sparkle. Okay, so normally I'll use like a flat brush, but I'm gonna use this brush and just take that and just like pop that on. Ooh. So I'm loving it. When I did my daughter's look, I went across the whole lid, and I'm thinking about putting another color right up in here. I haven't decided though yet what it's gonna be. But yeah, we're just gonna take that and build that up right about there. Or we can leave it blank. But I just know that looks so pretty. It's giving me mermaid vibes. Yeah. Okay, going back into that color and just pressing that on top just to go over that. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye, and if I decide to change it up, I'll let you guys know. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished with both eyes, and as I did this eye, you can see that the purple is way thicker than my other side, and I've been trying to tone this down, but look like I'm just gonna have to bring this up. So I'm just gonna go into that ice color and just bring that up a smidge. Just a teensy weensy bit. So yeah, you'll have that when you do makeup or whatever. You're gonna have a side that's gonna be a little off, and I'll just try your best to try to get it to look identical or whatever, as similar as you can get it. So I'm going back because I can see that just needs a whole lot of help. Then on this side, it's gonna add a little bit more yellow. But other than that, y'all, other than that, I'm done with the eyes. And then I'm going to add liner. I don't know what color I'm going to add. I don't know if I can just continue on or add a black liner or add like something colorful. I don't know, but yeah, this is it for the eyes, and you can finish them off how you want to. I'll come back when I finish my face and everything else. Okay, so for this part, y'all, I was trying to do a pink liner and it crackled on me, so I was like, let me clean it up. And you know what, these mistakes be turning out to be bomb, girl. So I'm just taking this dripped in my micellar water, and I'm taking it and pulling it up. Then I'm going to line this right here and stop it and let that be like an empty, let it be an empty space. And I'm just pulling that skin tight. And just seeing it from there and letting that be it. Hey y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. You know, I am just in love with this look, to be honest, y'all. Like, oh my God. So, okay, so if you guys recreate this look, please tag me. I can't wait to see you guys' recreations. I don't know why I keep saying you guys. Lord, what's going on? But anyway, so that is it. Please go ahead and like and follow and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified each time I drop a video. And this one for my girl, Tony. Okay, Tony, here's the video. So I'm gonna need y'all to put in that work and recreate it. And look at my purple hair, y'all. If y'all want a tutorial on my curls and the purple hair, what I use, comment that down below. Until next time, y'all. Bye, y'all.